My video guide is about getting rid of the fake Windows support alerts that come from the random website, and these fake alerts quote this fake Windows support number +1 866 612 2333. Now, this is a fake Windows support number, by the way. It is not related to any decent software. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. Such pop-ups are absolutely fake. They are controlled by online hackers who claim to be Windows technicians, but they are fake Windows technicians in reality. So don't call this fake Windows support number. Don't participate with these misleading pop-ups. What I recommend you to do is carefully examining your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start carefully researching and investigating the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.